This is a Yale 1-star superior. That's the bidding for it. Pretty low. These have those deep serrated pins like a GG or a Testa T60. They're kind of a pain. This one, they don't have counter milling like the GG, but for a blue belt lock, it's not the easiest. So I'm gonna start out with the number one, that like the almost non-existent from the standard hook from the Reaper set. So 1, 2, 3. Of course. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. Did I overset something? I might overset something. Yeah, I'm gonna check something. I'm gonna switch to just the standard hook. So there's another 1, 2. That's 3. Oh, come on, man. There we go. I just had to get under number 6 and get it up just a little bit, and it opened. But that's the Yale 1-star superior.